Right, so we're gonna head down, check out the new cap on the Rotary, or the soon-to-be Rotary. Just making my way down, we'll check it out from the ground and also from the air. Everything's getting real green, wicked green, I would say. All right, so we're down here looking at the pipes. They're actually already putting some in. Don't know if you got the notice, but said to be aware that they'd be putting it in on the east side, these pipes of Pond Street. I guess they already started, but it'll be happening next week as well. That notice I put up at the end of the video. You can check it out. Tons of space here. I guess that's where the turns are going to be. There's a sign here that's tucked off that says left turn to enter. Couldn't finish reading it, but it's a no left turn sign for one of these entrances. So got as close as I could there. And we're coming back just with a view out here. And another quick little look at this curvature blueprint. Beautiful sunset tonight to film. Pretty pumped about that. So there's our update. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Cheers, everyone. Have a great night.
They were circles around the sun. Never give up, never slow down, never grow old, never die young. Synchronized with the rising moon, even the evening stars, they were true love, written in stone. Never alone, they were never that far apart. And no who couldn't bear to believe they got too close.